Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a fourth topic or fourth chapter from the book, that is nouns, numbers. Nouns, numbers can be divided into two parts, that is singular and plural. Singular, which denotes a one number, one person, one thing. Plural, which denotes more than one person or thing. Now there are certain rules for making the plural forms of the words, and in your book it is given there, and those who are not having books, for them I am explaining it here, and everybody has to note it down in the notebooks. By adding s, house, we have added s here. Trees, we have added s here. By adding es, buses, matches, taxes, potatoes, pianos, we don't have any particular rule for this, whether e means vowel sound is there or consonant sound is there. So it's just your decision, your talent to make a use of s or es. Now nouns ending with y, with a consonant before it. Now when we have two words, baby and boy, both have y at the last, but see, one is having a consonant b, one is having a vowel. So when a consonant is there, we add ies, and when a vowel is there, we add just s. Now fourth point, now ending with f or fe takes s or ves, both are there, and double f will take just s there. Leaf, leaves, wife, wives, gulf, gulls, s. Cliff, double f is there, s would be there. Now doff and hoof, see, grammar is all about exceptions, and exceptions are always there. So doff can take doffs s, and ves is also value, means correct there. Hoof, hoofs, and hooves. Now some change their plural totally, means vowels change into another vowel. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Axes, axes. Now nouns which have several words adds s in the main word, means the nouns which are having so many words in just one word will add s in the main word. So, for example, son-in-law will be converted into sons-in-law, not son-in-laws. Laws will not be there, sons will be there. Same. Passer-by, passers by. Then we have words of Greek or Latin origin, take their rules, and we can have some examples here. Radius, which we study in maths, in plural we call them radii. Basis, basis. Datum, data, data is a common word which we use in our daily life, so its singular is datum, we never knew about it. Crisis, crisis. Analysis, analysis. Some nouns change completely. For example, oxen, en, child, children. Now some nouns do not change in plural form. For example, sheep, fish, score, fruit, aircraft, etc. Exceptions are there again. Fruits and fishes is used when we talk about variety, means variety of fishes, variety of fruits are exhibited in that exhibition. So variety of fruits, same way variety of fishes. Variety of fishes. Now next we have some nouns are only used in plural form. For example, scissors, pair of scissors, jeans, spectacle, tongs, with the help of which we roast chapatis on the gas, which are used in pairs. Nice pair of jeans, not a nice jeans, nice pair of jeans. Nice or sharp pair of scissors, clear pair of spectacles, tongs. Now few collective nouns. Now collective nouns are also a confusion there. Collective nouns are used as plurals though they are in singular. For example, people, police, cattle. Who are these people? People, these refer to the plural sense, but people is in itself, it is singular, but it is used with plurals. Some seems to be plural but are singular. For example, economics, mathematics, news, civics, politics, Physics is my favorite subject. See, all are having s at the end, so they seems to be plural, but they are not plural, they are singular in themselves. And the last one, some nouns are always used as singulars. For example, furniture, advice, information, luggage. The luggage is very heavy, is refers to the singular sense. Now these were your examples, and then I'll be uploading the exercises in next class. Until then, you have to note down these notes in your notebooks. Thank you.